Pocket holes look simple. Drill a hole, drive a screw, and you're done. But if your joints keep shifting, splitting, or coming loose, the problem may be one small mistake in your setup. One of the first things to check is your pocket hole jig setting. The jig needs to match the thickness of the material you're working with. If the setting is wrong, the pocket hole and screw may not position correctly. Another mistake is using the wrong screw length. Pocket hole screws are available in different lengths for different material thicknesses. Using the wrong one can lead to poor holding power or the screw coming through the other side. The screw type matters too. Pocket hole screws are designed with specific heads and thread patterns for this application. Don't assume any wood screw will give you the same result. Another common mistake is drilling too close to the edge. When the pocket hole is positioned incorrectly, the screw can get too close to an edge or end. That can increase the chance of splitting. Check your jig placement before drilling. Drill depth is another important factor. If the bit isn't set correctly, the pocket hole may be too shallow or too deep. Use the correct bit and follow the jig manufacturer's instructions for setting the depth. Another mistake happens during assembly. You drill perfect pocket holes, but don't properly clamp the boards before driving the screws. Without good alignment and clamping, the boards can shift as the screw pulls them together. A proper clamp can help keep the joint where you want it. Over-tightening is another problem. More torque doesn't automatically mean a stronger joint. Driving the screw too aggressively can damage the wood or strip the screw hole. Tighten the screw enough to secure the joint without unnecessarily crushing the material. But under-tightening can also cause problems. If the screw isn't properly seated, the joint may not close securely. Use controlled pressure and avoid relying on maximum drilled torque. Another mistake is ignoring board alignment. Even with perfectly positioned pocket holes, two boards can still end up uneven if they're not aligned before the screws are driven. Take a moment to check the edges and faces before tightening everything. And finally, pocket holes aren't the answer to every woodworking joint. They're extremely useful for many projects, especially when speed, simplicity, and hidden fastening are important. But the joint still needs to be appropriate for the project and material. Good pocket hole joinery isn't just about drilling a hole and inserting a screw. It's about matching the jig to the material, choosing the correct screw, setting the drilling depth, positioning the hole properly, clamping the boards, and controlling how tightly you drive the screw. Get those basics right, and your pocket hole joints can be faster, cleaner, and much more reliable. What's the biggest pocket hole problem you've had? A split board? A screw coming through? A loose joint? Or boards shifting during assembly? Tell me in the comments. And subscribe for more practical woodworking tips, tool comparisons, workshop mistakes, and DIY projects. Thanks for watching.